So graph of that function. So it was, function was 3x minus 2 for x less than 0.
1 is equal to 0. 4x plus 1 is equal to x.
And function was 1 for x equal to 0. The value of the function was 1 for x equal to 0. And function value of the function is 4x plus 2 for x greater than 0. Okay, so now we have to draw the graph of this function. So this is our coordinate system.
Prabhuji,
Yes,
not 4x plus 2, Prabhuji, I think 4x plus 1.
4x plus 1. Okay, yes.
Yes, Prabhuji.
4x plus 1. X plus 1. So first we will see x greater than 0. So x greater than 0, we have this value 4x plus 1. Now remember, this can be written as y is equal to 4x plus 1. Okay.
Yes.
So is this a straight line or not? क्लास 10 में पढ़ा है? स्ट्रेट लाइन की इक्वेशन पढ़ी है?
Yes.
ऐसे अगर लिखा रहता था y equal to 2x plus 1, 3x plus 1, so this is a straight line. Okay.
Yes.
So because this is 1 degree equation, so जैसे जैसे x में change होगा y में भी उसी proportion में change होगा. So this will form a straight line. So straight line for x greater than 0. So अब हमको straight line draw करने के लिए 2 points की जरूरत होती है. Okay. To draw a straight line, you need only 2 points. So we will find 2 points. So first put x equal to 0 in this equation. X equal to 0 पे y की क्या वैल्यू है? 1. तो ये x 1 point you got 0, 1. Okay. Now you put another point. Let's say x is equal to minus 1. For x equal to minus 1, what is the value of y?
-5.
Sorry, we cannot take minus 1 because we are taking this case x greater than 0. Okay.
Yes.
So we will not take minus 1. We will take some positive value. So let's say that positive value is 2.
9.
9.
2, 9.
क्या?
2,9.
हाँ, 2,9. So you got another point as 2,9.
Yes.
Okay. So first point is 0, 1. So 0 is here and 1 is here. So you got this 1 point, 0, 1. Okay. Is it all right? 0, 1. Second point is 2, 9. So let's say 9 is here. This is 9 and 2, 9. So this is 1 and this is 2. So you got this another point somewhere here. So this is 2, 9. Okay. Now join these 2 points. You'll get a graph for x greater than 0. This will go like this above. Okay. This is x greater than, and x equal to 0. What is the value?
1.
1. So this is already a dot here. For x equal to 0, value is 1. Okay. Now this another function x less than 0. So when from left side. So if you put 0 here, what is the value of this function above?
-2.
-2.
0, -2.
So again we'll get, nahi, you put, okay, yes, -2. 0, -2. So here is the point x equal to 0 and minus 2 is below. This is minus 1. This is minus 2. So you get this point 0 comma minus 2. And for second point you take x is equal to minus 1. So what is the value?
Minus 5, 0, 1, minus 1 comma minus 5.
Minus 1 comma minus 5.
5.
Yes. So minus 5 is somewhere here. So this will be the point. Minus 1 comma minus 5. And you join these 2 points. This will be a straight line. So this is the graph of whole complete function. Okay. And you remember that these points are not included in the straight line. So we'll make an arrow here. Okay. Because it is x greater than 1 and x less than. This for the above there is no need because it is already coinciding. X equal to 1, यहाँ पे एक फंक्शन की वैल्यू 1 है और उसके बाद फंक्शन की वैल्यू ये ग्राफ. ये ग्राफ समझ में आया?
Yes.
आया.
Yes, Prabhuji.
So in this way you have to do the questions. One question I will do of domain and range. So you see it carefully. Now you have to find the domain of this function. This function is given as fx is equal to 4 root of 4 minus x plus 1 upon square root of x square minus 1. अब इसकी डोमेन कैसे निकालोगे? इसका ग्राफ नहीं पूछ रहे, केवल डोमेन पूछ रहे हैं. What is, how you will find the domain of this function? Anybody?
0 to positive infinite. 0 to positive infinite.
Yes. How have you calculated 0 to positive infinity?
Because it is in root, Prabhuji, so it only be a positive number.
Yes.
Yes.
Non-negative.
So that is a range. That is a range. Because it is domain means values of x.
Yes, yes.
You are telling values of the whole function, value of whole function. So that is called range. Value of the function is called range. I am asking domain means what are the values of x we can take?
0 to positive infinity, because under a root we cannot have negative value.
The value for range.
Means there will be no roots for negative numbers, Prabhuji.
Yes, yes. Inside the root we cannot have negative number, that is first restriction. Okay. And second one is denominator cannot be equal to 0. Okay.
Okay.
These are the 2 restrictions. So first one is that we'll do case by case. First is that 4 minus x. 4 minus x. This should be greater than or equal to 0. ये clear है?
Yes.
4 minus x should be greater than equal to 0 because it is under a root. So this expression should be non-negative number. Okay. So this implies that from here you will get x should be greater than or equal to 4. Is it clear?
Yes, yes.
And now second restriction is that this x square minus 1, this should be greater than equal to 0 or greater than 0?
Greater than 0.
Yes, this should be greater
It
than
is-
0 because it
because
cannot be equal to 0 since it is in denominator. Because it is in denominator, so this value cannot be equal to 0. Okay, so from here what you get? From here you get that x
is equal to
is greater than 1 or x is less than -1. ये समझ में आया?
हाँ
यहां से हमने ये निकाल, क्योंकि अगर इसको फैक्टराइज करोगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? x + 1 into x - 1. This should be greater than 0. ठीक है, x स्क्वायर -1 को मैंने ऐसे लिखा है। ये लीनियर इनइक्वालिटी का क्वेश्चन है, क्लास 10th में किया है इसको।
हाँ प्रभु जी।
तो इसको नंबर लाइन पे अगर रिप्रेजेंट करोगे तो यहाँ पे एक पॉइंट हो जाएगा 1 and 1 point is -1 and you will
और
get
बीच में 0 होगा ना?
here it will be positive,
and then
here it will be negative and here it will be positive. So from this solution we get these values of x. Okay, now you combine these two. Solution is intersection of these two cases. क्योंकि अगर ये फंक्शन की पूरे फंक्शन की डोमेन निकालनी है तो पहला केस भी सेटिस्फाई होना चाहिए और दूसरा केस भी सेटिस्फाई होना चाहिए। ठीक है, तो पहला केस तो बोल रहा है x greater than 4, मतलब कि x 4 से नीचे तो हो ही नहीं सकता। ठीक है, तो 4 से नीचे नहीं हो सकता, मतलब x less than -1 का केस तो चलेगा ही नहीं। ठीक है, और ये x greater than 1 भी नहीं चलेगा, x greater than 4 होना चाहिए। ठीक है, अब इसका और इसका कॉम्बिनेशन लोगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? You will get the domain of the function as this, x greater than 4. So the domain of this function is 4 to infinity. 4 equal to में है, so we have used this square bracket and infinity is in open bracket. Huh?
The domain is 4 to positive infinity.
4 to infinity, positive infinity.
Yes.
किसी को अगर कोई डाउट है इसमें तो पूछो।
No doubt.
No.
Okay. So now you complete the assignment 6. From next class we will start trigonometry. All right?
Yes, Prabhuji.
So you do some study of chapter 3 जो मैंने NCERT बुक का लिंक भेजा है, उसका चैप्टर 3 तुम लोग पढ़ के आना। ठीक है,
Prabhuji, could you please send that link once again? It got deleted by mistake.
okay, I'll send that link once again. Okay,
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.